Hi there, I'm Hope with Health to Beauty Nails, and today we are doing a Memorial Day sale haul. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's just jump right into it. The first purchase that I made was from my Akzentz distributor at LuvNailz. I got 2 new pots of Trinity. I went ahead and got the clear because that's what I usually tend to use, and then I got the SC1, which is their cool toned pink color. I wanted to get SW1 because that's what I've been hearing is the most used and popular shade from a lot of texts, but she was out of it by the time I got there, so I guess it really is popular. So got these 2 guys, and then I went ahead actually and got a pot of the Options Crystal Clear because I just used that on my own manicure, and I think this is 4 weeks, and I haven't had any lifting, and this nail is a problem lifter for me. So trying this one out a little more to see how I like it. I find that it's slightly more flexible than Trinity, so I'm wondering if that's why it's working on me so well. Got a new full bottle of the Akzentz Prep and Wipe, and this is what you use to cleanse the nail plate as well as wipe off the inhibition layer. I also got this new, to me, football bit from Atwood. This one I believe is the one that Jess from LuvNailz always uses, and she swears by it. And I've been wanting to follow a little bit more of her just overall technique for doing manicures, so I'm excited to try this one. And then I also got the Akzentz 106 brush, which is a flat brush. It's very thin, and again, I wanted to try more of Jess's full technique for manicuring, so I'm getting both her bit and the brush that she always uses. She has a really great YouTube channel that I'll link below. It's Real World Nails, where she literally shows you start to finish her whole service with clients. Got some new swatch sticks. I actually got 2 of these, but I already opened the other one because I already swatched my colors, and I wanted to try these because they're more of an almond shape, ovally, which is really, it just looks nice. It's very pretty. And these are clear, and I'll show you why I wanted to get the clear ones here in a second. I got a brand new lamp, very exciting. My other lamp is a few years old and it still seems to be working fine, but I just wanted to go ahead and get a new one just so that I don't have any problems in salon, and I can have the new one in my suite and then just have the old one at home. And look at her, so shiny and clean. No gel on the inside, so super stoked on that one. So I got all of these full-size colors, and then I was able to get my hands on the mini sizes of the Avant-Garde collection, which I was really excited that she had those. I always really love when I bring in new colors to get the minis and see what's popular before committing to the full size. I also love swatching these little dots on top because I store my gels in drawers, and having them with the dots on them is just so convenient. So I love that. First we have Precocious, and it's just like a really sweet, nice, pretty natural pink, and it has a little bit of very subtle gold pearlescence or shimmer to it. It's very pretty. I'm sure that shimmer would look really nice in the summertime. And the reason why I want to get these clear tips is because you can see on this side that it's shiny. Then on the underside, this is where I polished it and I used matte top coat. So you can see both the matte and the shiny. Love this. It's a really great way so that clients can just see what their options are. Then we have Romance, another very sweet pink. This one is almost like a soft bubblegummy pink, and there's the matte. Crush, I'm very excited about this color. It's like literally what creamsicle dreams are made of. So there's the shiny. I think this is gonna be really popular for summer. And then the matte. Then we have this amazing neon. It's called Shock. Totally lives up to its name. The camera never does it justice. Then we have Entrancing. It's not coming up quite as bright as it is in person, but this is a really pretty, bright, berry, magenta-y shade. I think it looks really cool in that too. Then we have Jaded, which is a very soft, pretty, it is a very jade-like color. It has more blue in it than I was expecting, but sometimes it looks more blue, sometimes I can see more of those green tones. It's so pretty, very soft. The woman that I purchased my Akzentz from, Jess, again, check out her YouTube channel. She did a tutorial where she did an ombre with Jaded and Koi and then put gold foil on top, and it was so beautiful, and I've just been thinking about this color ever since because I really want to recreate that set. So pretty. Incognito, which is this cool kind of like army green color. Again, this is another one that looks super cool matte. And then my last full-size color is Vivacious, and this one too has a bit of a pink shimmer to it, very subtle but very pretty. I think it's always nice to get some colors that have a little bit of a different finish of them from Luxio, because I find that most of their colors are cream, so it's always fun when they have a little something extra. For the Avant-Garde collection, we have Insight, and this one is a little more sheer, kind of on the milky side, so kind of that natural look. Movement, which is almost on the more peachy side of pink, but super pretty. Then we have Restrain, which is almost like a dusty mauvey pink. It's very interesting, very pretty. And then we have Suave, which is more like a deep blue, sky blue color. These colors are always super popular for me, like in the springtime and early summer. And then lastly is Swank, which is a super weird, super cool, unique color. It's like a more green, mustardy yellow. Super cool matte also. I think that Swank and Incognito would be a super cool combo. And here's the full combo of all the colors I got. Then I got a bunch of Gehwol stuff. This wasn't for the Memorial Day sale, but I just received it. So I got a few of the herbal lotion. This is really great. It's a spray type product, and it's really awesome for the lazy or people that just need some light hydration. It's also really refreshing in the summertime, and it's also great for people who have limited mobility because you can actually spray it upside down. Just lift up a heel, get a little spritz, you're good to go. This one has some essential oils as well as urea, so it has that light hydration, as well as some ingredients that are helpful for deodorizing and just protecting the skin, so I love this. They were having a sale on the soft feet cream, so I picked up a few of these. These were 20% off the normal price, so I wanted to grab a few of these because this is the start of my spa pedicure. So I love this one too. This one's ultra hydrating. I also got a couple of the foot and shoe deodorant. This is really excellent for literally both the feet and the shoes. If you have athlete's foot or your shoes get a little bit stinky, this is also really nice after a service just to finish off the client's shoes with a little spritz. If you buy new shoes, I always do a little bit of a spritz of these in them as well, because you don't know who tried them on before you and you don't want to contract anything. So this is a really great one to kill any organisms and shoes before you pop them on. So love this one, very refreshing, keep everything nice and smelling good. And then lastly, they are starting to carry some new travel sizes again, and these are the only two that they have currently, the Lipidro and the Sal for cracked skin, and these are both 0.7 ounces. So these I love to have for the summer for sure, because people who are taking vacations, they can just like grab one of these to go. It's super small. I'll show you the comparison to the normal size. So this is 2.6 ounces versus 0.7. And so cute, so cute. So this retails for $6, whereas the normal size retails for $23, I wanna say, either 21 or 23. But this is really great. You can also pop this in a purse. If someone wants to try it out before they commit to the full size, this is a really great one. This, honestly, Lipidro, like I use this on my hands all the time because it's ultra hydrating. So I'm so excited to have these. They're so cute. I can hardly stand it. Also, if you're a tech, this is a great way. You could potentially do a gift with purchase or something where it's low cost for you on the back end, but increases the value of your client's visit. So love, love, love. I've got a ton of these because I'm not sure how long they're going to be carrying them. So I definitely wanted to stock up. And then finally, on the tool side from Gehwol, I just got one of these sidewall cleaners, which I've shown in videos in the past, but it has a very thin edge, so you can really get in a person's sidewall and really clean it out really nicely. So I love, love, love. This is called, I believe, the double-ended R tool on Gehwol's website. Another thing that I love that Gehwol does, which I've talked about this in the past, is they always throw in some sample packs. So with this one, they sent the Balance Leg and Foot Lotion, the deodorant foot cream, and more of the soft feet cream. They'll often send samples that are very similar, if not the same, to what you bought. So I got more of that soft feet cream since I purchased some. Deodorant foot cream, which goes along with the foot spray. And then the leg and foot lotion is also really nice. This is from the Balance line. And it has some probiotics in it, so it's really lovely for the flora and fauna of the skin. These weren't on a Memorial Day sale either, and I actually bought them while they were in back order, but I just got them and I'm pretty excited. I did my first order from NuFeet, which I'm super excited about. I've been wanting to try these cleanup brushes for a long time. They're supposed to be pretty great, and the bristles on them are short. I want to see what they feel like. I think this was the pack of 50, maybe 100. Ooh, so they feel soft, but also, yeah, I think that's gonna be nice. So, ooh, just to clean up polish, or, you know, if I'm doing gel, I can clean up gel with it. That's really cool. I've also seen that you can apply a little bit of oil with these and just kind of like brush it around the cuticle area, which I think would be nice for polish application so that you're not like disturbing the polish at all. And then I got a pair of their detailed nippers and their nipper clippers. So let's open up these nippers. I definitely need a new pair of nippers. I don't have enough in a salon. Ooh, okay, so let's see. Little lock there. Has a nice spring to it. I don't always like this style of nipper, but we'll try these out. Got the little NuFeet branding on them. If you guys aren't following NuFeet medical pedicures on Instagram, you should. You are missing out. They are amazing. Erica Allison is incredible. So there's those, and these are what they actually trim the toenails with, and I thought that these would probably be really great for maybe, let's see how thick they are, for clients that have a little bit thicker of a toenail. Yeah, so you can see these are a lot hardier than the regular nippers. So just to compare, the nipper clippers, and these are more for actually trimming toenails, and these are like the regular nippers. I'm really excited to try these. I think that these are going to be super hardy and very nice to work with. It's nice that they have these little lock too, so you can store them in this position with the little plastic on top. I like that, just so that you're protecting your blades. Another tip, when you're storing your blades, always store them blade side up instead of down, because when you store them down over time, that will start to dull the blade over and over. Okay, and then lastly, got some new bits and tools from Erica's ATA. So let's see, I wanted to try her quarter jaw nippers. I have the full jaw nippers and I do like them. They're a little too large for every client in my opinion, so I want to try these smaller ones, and those are ultra tiny. Let's compare them to the NuFeet ones. You can see way tinier. So I believe these are half jaw. They didn't have the exact size, but these are probably closer to a half jaw, and these are the quarter jaw, and these are even like feel like the tiniest quarter jaw I've ever seen. So those are cool, and I do really like this spring as well. It just has a really nice feel in the hand. And then I got a bunch of bits. I've used all of these before. I'm just kind of stocking up on my favorites. So let's see. I got another Gel X bit for gel removal. It's carbide, it has the teeth. I'm sure many and most of you are familiar with Erica's, but they're super high quality. I love that their bits are also made in the US. I think that's awesome. So this is really great for gel removal. I got 2 of the large diamond barrel bits. This one is in coarse on the right, and then the one on the left here is in medium. I prefer in salon to use these for my gel polish removal, just because they're a little gentler than the Gel X bit, and I just like to be extra gentle with clients. So this is what I tend to use. I use the Gel X bit mostly on myself to remove overlays. So I love these on toenails. They're super great and they work really fast also. So I like to have one of each grit. I kind of use the grits interchangeably, but I do tend to use the medium more often, but it's nice to have a coarser one because over time that one will become the medium and then it will become fine as you use it. And then I got another polishing bit. I don't use this one all the time, but I do really like it for manicures just to remove any dead skin around the cuticle area. It really helps to eliminate and prevent hangnails. So I use this on clients who are a little crustier over there or when I have time. I find that this is like my when I'm feeling extra / have the time to use bit, but love it, works really well. And then I wanted to stock up more so on some of my favorite pedicure bits. I got 3 of the long and lean, and I only started using this in the last couple months or so, but I absolutely love this bit. And for most clients who don't have deep sidewalls for their toenails, so I usually use it starting in reverse to the right, and you can kind of just pull back the skin and get down in that sidewall through all 10 toes, and then I go in forward and I take it from the center of the nail back through that left sidewall. And I really love this. Really helps cut my time down, and not every client needs a ton of really deep sidewall work, so this has been a lifesaver. I love this one. I also really like it when I am removing gel. If I don't get every last little bit, this helps to just remove the last little bit of color that I might need to. And then these are my favorite sidewall bits. This is the detail bit, and it's super narrow. It's more narrow even than their micro taper, and it's just the perfect grit and everything. So if someone needs some more intensive sidewall work, or if they have very deep sidewalls, this is the bit that I typically will choose to use. It's just really narrow, and it can get right in there to prevent any ingrown nail sensitivity, you know, that kind of callous dead skin buildup that can get in the nails there. And that's it. That is my whole haul. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Let me know if you picked up anything from the Memorial Day sale hauls. One more reminder to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.